Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Cloud,
My name is Ori.
and we will hold the space for the Masculinity workshop, Awaken Masculinity. What? How do you know? How do you know that you are resonating with this expression of this of masculinity in this lifetime?
Thank you for asking. For me, actually, it's been a process to find the answer to that question. And in that process, actually, I didn't know if I resonate with this aspect of masculinity. And today, after doing this work, sitting with men, guiding men, and going deeply inside and finding out my core, from this coming to this authenticity, to this self, and seeing how does my being want to express, I can say that today, how do I know that I am a man? Is because I am one. Is because this aspect of reality wants to embody through me. And it's not a choice, it's just a naturalness that comes from a deep resting into who I am. Not trying to be anything, not trying to look like anything, just coming into my core. And this is one of the things that we want to offer in this workshop. Not to impose ideas of masculinity, not to become macho or but to find out really what it is, this masculinity that what wants to express through us if we just let it. That's an answer to your question.
Thank you.
If you want to give this workshop, what inspires you?
This is a good question. I've seen a lot of men suffering, men and women, human beings in general. But specifically, I was so surprised to find so many males wounded and hidden inside and holding it in and from this wound or for something that is not settled there, many behaviors coming outwards towards other men, towards women, towards people of all gendered expressions. And the more I joined men's circles and I spoke, I've noticed something is missing, like a lack of clarity is missing. And I believe that bringing a clarity allows one to make a choice. Again, I also feel based on that inner authenticity. There's a way to investigate this together, to touch this, to have a safe space in a men's circle, in a man of brothers, in a circle of brothers, which can allow something to come out that will be very, very healing and bringing a stability and a clarity to one's life.
So in this workshop, we're intending to, first of all, raise the question, what is masculinity? What is this force? How does it move? What is its gifts? What is its shadows? What is its divine expressions? And what's in the core of it? And we're gonna go deeper into those, explore those, and also see how do we cultivate those aspects in a more practical way.
There will be, of course, exercises and spaces for safely expressing oneself, but not just expressing, but actually looking, prompting to look deep in our current psychology and that depth of authenticity of our being. So you'll be a workshop where you would have to work on yourself and work with others and explore. It's not only about healing oneself, but also discovering new possibilities and new way of expressing something which maybe was never modeled. The modeling does not come from the teachers of the workshop, but you come from that community of men that will gather together in that group and will be teaching each other in that way.